Thank you really for being one of the Wazalendos who goes and creates awareness. I think that perhaps is instrumental and really touches on what we feel as a Ministry of Health is the biggest, should I say, vaccine for coronavirus. Is essentially us taking personal responsibility, you partnering with us in terms of ensuring that there's awareness in the community. Now, this issue really has been brought to our attention many times. I think we've also interacted with it as we move around with the publics. And really what we are doing as a Ministry of Health is ramping up communication to ensure that Kenyans can truly understand why these measures are necessary. And I think in one of our past briefings, we've really emphasized and to a point even shared with you that this simple cloth that is in front of your mouth and nose can actually reduce the risk of transmission by 50%. That's how powerful a mask is, 50%. And if you can compute and look at our population in the country, you're really literally reducing risk of transmission by 50%. Now, when you add that on to washing your hands, that moves to 70% reduced risk of transmission. And so we do feel strongly, and this is voiced from both the Ministry of Health, but also globally with the partners who we are working with, that these three measures, simply wearing a piece of cloth in front of your nose and mouth, 50%. Washing your hands, 70%. Reducing that physical distance to 1.5 meters, again, adding another percentage point to reduce risk of transmission. So really, these are the measures, and what we can do, what each and every one of us can do, the 20 of us here who are here today, is really just be ambassadors for ensuring that Kenyans are able to adhere to these measures. I'm sure you all appreciate that policing 47 million people is a difficult task. Remembering also that there are other priorities and there are other key elements which our policing and security personnel would need to attend to. And so what we need to do is step up and assist them in this fight and remind each other. I also actually do get reminded, put on your mask, put it on correctly. And that's what we need to do for our fellow Kenyans as well.